Vedatriyan, whom we all know very well. To mention a few words about him, Serma Silvaraj sir is a BSc MABL degree holder and joined Sky System of Yoga in 1994. He completed Sky Master course in 1995 and served as volunteer in the WCSC headquarters for 2 years. He served in Singapore and Malaysia Sky Trust for almost 15 years thence and has conducted Sky Yoga classes in Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, and Sri Lanka. He is presently associated with Crumpet Sky Trust. Besides, he is a joint director in WCSC Smart Directorate, treasurer of WCSC Kanchipuram Zone, managing trustee of Radhanagar Sky Trust, founder and consultant of Singapore Sky Trust, consultant of Malaysia Sky Trust, and editor of monthly magazine Arive Deivam. Thanks a lot, sir, for sparing your precious time with us in the midst of your busy schedule and responsibilities. I request you, sir, to proceed with the speech on the topic social welfare. Over to you, sir.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். குரு வாழ்க, குருவே துணை. Be blessed by the divine. May the whole world enjoy happy and peacefulness. My salutations to all the Siddhas who have dedicated their lives to the upliftment of mankind. And I salute our great Guru Aruttandai Vedatri Maharishi, who leads us with his divinity. Dear the wisest scholars, those who with the divine character of love and compassion, I salute and bless all of you. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thanks to WCAC IT team to give this opportunity to learn. Today's our topic is social welfare. What is the mean by social welfare? Social welfare means take care of the society. A question raised, why I need to take care of the society? Because I am living in the society. I am part of the society. If the society affected, then myself also affect. If fire catches our neighbor's house, we have to help to quit the fire. If not, our house also will catch fire. So as a Vedatriyan, do we have society consciousness? We have to answer ourselves. Do we have society consciousness? If we have society consciousness, then only there is a meaning to say that I am a Vedatriyan, I am a Manavalakalanyan. If not, there is no meaning to call ourselves as a Vedatriyan. What we have to do for social welfare? To have to do the social welfare, we have to do the 5 duties. The 5 duties. Our Swamiji always give 5 duties. What are the 5 duties? We have to do our duty to ourselves. We have to do our duty to the family and our relatives and our country and our world. So for individual, we have to maintain our physical health by doing all our exercises and Kaya Kalpa. We have to maintain our mental health by doing meditation and introspection. And we have to maintain our economic stability by the work in a legal way. So this is to maintain our individual life. And for our family, we have to take care of our spouse, parents, and children. Family life is the best protection to help one's parents, spouse, and children. So we have to take care of our family. And also we have to take care of our relatives by helping them to for their growth of the by economically, physically, mentally. How much extent we can help, we have to help. Then we have to do our duty to our country. Our country is a place to live with peacefully. So the society provides us with everything. So our efforts have to go to the society also. So we have to properly pay our taxes, observing the rules of the society. So if when individuals pay their dues to the society, it will flourish. So the country will grow, people will enjoy and peacefulness and happiness. If we fail to pay the dues, the society goes into the decline, the economic down, everything is problem. So problems and miseries increase. So how to pay the duties to the society? We can pay our dues to the society by physically, by the money, and by our knowledge. So what else can we do? Take care of the nature. We have to take care of the nature because we are not alone. We are jointly with the society and nature. So we have to take care of the nature. To take care of the nature, our WCC got a scheme, Village Service Project. In Village Service Project, our WCC planting trees in the villages to save our Mother Earth. So the plants are most important living being to save ourselves and save the nature. So practice the water management. A lot of places we pollute the water. So we have to practice the water management. Use properly, use wisely. Reduce the water pollution, reduce the air pollution, reduce the noise pollution, and we have to eradicate the mind pollution. That is very important. So what is the way to implement all the solutions? What we have to do to solve all these problems? First thing, practice all our sky practices properly. Do our physical exercise regularly, do the meditation regularly, do the introspection regularly, and also we have to understand all the concepts of our Guru Vedatri Maharshi. Normally, a sky member, we always say, I am practicing regularly. The practicing the physical exercise and meditation regularly is not enough. We have to study the concept of our Guru and try to follow it. So try to follow all our Maharishi's concepts. Then spread our sky yoga and our Guru's concepts to the people all over the world. All over the world. How to spread this yoga all over the world? If any shortcut to spread our sky system to all over the world, Maharishi gave a way to implement, to solve the solutions. What is the simple way? Blessings. So Maharishi say, bless all the world leaders to follow our sky system. So after the meditation, we bless all the world leaders to observe the spiritualness within them. So bless all the world leaders to follow our sky system. How to bless? Bless from Joe Biden, bless the UN Secretary, bless our PM, bless our CM, bless all the political leaders to follow our sky system. Imagine if the US President, the UN Secretary, the President, the Prime Minister of our country, Chief Minister of our state, and all the political leaders, if they follow our sky system, how will be our world? It is the very, very important to bless all the leaders, because if they follow our sky systems, then only the mind pollution, the air pollution, the water pollution, the natural pollution, everything can be eradicated. So we have to bless all the leaders. Then we have to bless all the superstition cultivating religion leaders to transform to spiritual leaders. Spiritual is not a religion. Religion is maybe the stepstone for spiritual, but spiritual is not a religion. So the religious leaders have to transform us as spiritual leaders. So we have to bless all the religious leaders to transform to spiritual leaders. Then we have to bless all the greedy economists. Today, everything is controlled by the greedy economists. So we have to bless all the greedy economists to understand the humanity and transform to social welfare economists. As a source, they have to transform from greedy economists to social welfare economists. So bless, then we have to bless all the fanatical politicians to transform into selfless leaders. To achieve all the above, we have to spread Manavalakalai to every person, every home, every state, every village, every town, every city, every country, and we have to spread our sky yoga all over the world, all over the world. So what is the way to implement, to achieve that? We have to do our social duties properly. What are the social duties? The first thing, we have to select the good people as leaders, because leaders are the key to guide us. If the leader is good, we also we can follow them. If the leader is bad, we have no choice to follow them also. So we have to select the good people as leaders, because our society is under democracy. So democracy means we have to select by the people. So the leaders have to select by the people. So we have to select the good people as leaders. We have to do our duty to vote for the leaders. Many people, they say, "Oh, all the politicians are bad, so I don't want to vote the leader. So I pay my vote for nota, either nota, or I don't uh, poll my vote." No, it is wrong. So we have to poll our vote to select the good leaders. In other ways, Manavalakalai persons will become the leaders of the nation, leaders of the world. If it is happen, the world peace is very, very near, very near, very near. So people of all countries should cooperate and share. They have to think as all human beings, as your brothers and sisters. Then we have to follow the fivefold path of virtue given by Swamiji to achieve the world peace, to achieve the society consciousness. So we have to take a auto suggestion that I shall work for a living, I shall not harm anyone, I shall not kill for food, I shall not plunder the freedom or possessions of the others, I shall help others. So the fivefold moral culture, which is given by our Swamiji. Then Swamiji transformed and he simplified that fivefold moral culture to twofold moral culture. I, in my lifetime, shall not harm anyone physically or mentally. I shall, when there are possible assistance to those in pain, I will help them. So, no individual or country divide the noble quality of the charity can flourishes. So, we have to be a good person, be a sky follower, be a Vedatrian. We have to follow all our sky system properly. Then we have to follow our Swamiji's concepts, and we have to praise the greatness of woman, because the woman is half of our society. So we have to understand the greatness of woman, and we have to give enough respect to the woman. We have to respect the motherhood. We have to share the responsibilities, duties to the women, to stand, to face all the problems, all over the problems for the woman. So it is very important for the men to safeguard the woman. So to safeguard the woman, we have to increase our income. We have to provide equal rights to the women. We have to provide special care to the women, providing all comforts to the women. So the women is half of the society. If we never give the proper respect to them, then our society will not be a welfare society. So especially we have to appreciate the sacrifice of our life partner, especially wife. So as a society welfare, we have to take care of ourselves, our family, our relatives, our country, and our world. Thank you to give this opportunity. Thank you, one and all, and thank you for the WCC IT team. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you very much, sir, for the wonderful speech on social welfare and the solutions for spreading our sky yoga all over the world through blessing and performing our duties by doing sky practices regularly and following all the concepts as advocated by our beloved Guru Vedatri Maharishi. Now we move on to the important announcements. In today's partial lockdown due to COVID pandemic, we need an increasing immunity level with people coming out for their living without adhering to safety measures prescribed by the government. To boost our immunity level, we have the ancient practice of Siddhas called Kayakalpa Yoga, which is now available as online course. Visit kayakalpayoga.edu.in to learn this technique from the comfort of your home and stay healthy. Download the Android app and recommend it to your friends and relatives. Visit kundaliniyoga.edu.in to learn all Sky courses in online mode in the language of your ease. They are offered in English, Tamil, and Kannada. Check Anbuli app on Android phones to access or download our Swamiji's precious speeches. Sky Yoga TV is our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Connect with them and subscribe to get notifications about all our programs. Join our special meditation session for Guinness World Record on 28th March 2021 at 6 p.m. by subscribing to Sky Yoga TV individually. Donate generously to the World Community Service Center through Anbuli app or vedadri.edu.in, our prime website. Income tax exemption under ATG are available for all donations. It is time for us to express our gratitude. Let us all come to Duriya state to bless our Professor Gayatri Madam for her meditation and Professor Sarma Silvaraj sir for his excellent speech. Professor Gayatri and Professor Sarma Silvaraj sir, be blessed by the divine. Their good health, be blessed by the divine. Their loving family, be blessed by the divine. Their divine services, be blessed by the divine. Thank you, sir. We would like to extend our blessings to the Sky Meditators for their kind donations yesterday. Your generous donations will help us a lot to serve the society. By the grace of the divine, may you and your family enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Be blessed by the divine. We are happy to bring the following online programs live from Alia Temple of Consciousness tomorrow at 5:15 a.m. 9 Central Meditation in Tamil, 6 a.m. exercises in Tamil, 7 a.m. 9 Central Meditation in English, 11 a.m. special speech of our Guru Vedatri Maharshi on Varkai Tattvam. Evening program details: 6 p.m. Panchendriya meditation in Tamil, 6:30 p.m. speech in Tamil on the topic Nal Vinay by Professor Anbarasan of Kalpakkam. 8 p.m. Turiya meditation in English, 8:15 p.m. speech in English on the topic Free Will and Destiny by Professor Sankari Naresh, Delhi. Please share the program invite with your friends and relatives to get more people benefited through our practices. We thank our beloved President Arunidhi Padma Shri S.K. Mailanandam sir for his leadership and continuous support and guidance. Looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and practice our Kundalini Yoga. This is Radha Ravichandran from Aliyar World Community Service Center IT team. Be blessed by the divine. Let us now conclude the session with world blessing. May the world be blessed with plenty of rain. The farmers work to produce an abundance of grain. Let practitioners of all prosper, flourish, and grow, and culture progress through the need to share and grow. Let the rulers be beyond feelings of anger or fear, illiteracy, poverty, and all evils made to disappear. Let the true lamp of knowledge burn steady and bright. Our sense of duty guides us along paths always right. Our sense of duty guides us along paths always right. Be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine. Good night, all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. All from
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.